Hi all, this is Tyler Krumpiatek from Canisius. In this video we show faculty and students how to export discussion posts for their own records. This can only be done in the discussion grid view. If you are not sure how to set up the discussion grid view, please watch the video linked in the description. Let's get started. In a D2L course, go to the Discussions tab in the course navbar. Then select the topic that you want to export the posts from. To export the posts from the discussion for our own records, we need to select the posts we want to export. Clicking on the checkbox in the upper left corner of the table will select all of the posts. Otherwise, if we are interested in certain posts, click on the checkbox to the left of the specific posts we want to export. Once we have chosen our posts, click on Print above the table. This will open a new pop-up with a preview of the exported posts. Click on Print in the lower left corner. The browser print options will appear. In this instance, we are using Google Chrome. However, your browser print options may appear differently. In the upper right, find destination. Make sure it says Save as PDF rather than trying to send to a printer. Then select Save in the lower right. In the pop-up that appears, give the PDF a name. Then select the save location. Finally, click Save in the lower right. From there, navigate to the PDF and double-check that the posts have exported properly. That's it for this video. If there are any questions or comments, please email us at helpdesk@canisius.edu. Thanks for watching and have a great day.